Let's take a look on how to assemble the PortaBidet Pro. Before you start, you need to ensure that the safety lock is on the lock position to ensure that no water will go into the charging pod. Take the grey end of the supplied hose and ensure that the inner part of the hose is securely fitted on the pump nozzle. Screw the grey cap onto the pump. Until it is completely flush with the pump body. Now grab the other end of the hose and insert the supplied O-ring on the indented part inside the inner hose. Ensure that the O-ring is securely fitted within the cap and is completely snug. Gently screw the orange cap onto the bidet head. Until it's completely flush. While you can use PortaBidet with virtually any container, for demonstrational purposes, we are going to use the supplied foldable bucket, which can hold up to 5 liters of water when completely filled. To use the device, please remove the safety cap off the power button, turn on the device, and fully submerge the device in water, and allow up to 12 seconds for the water to start flowing. Gently press the bidet head After you're done using the PortaBidet, simply shake off the excess water and turn off the device.